everyone. Welcome to a kitchen disaster. Now, hopefully it's not going to be a disaster for too much longer, but I am trying to make some banana pudding and some chocolate lush. And so I've got a lot of things going on at once, and this reminds me of the order of operations. You have to follow the order of operations in order to solve math problems correctly. And I have to follow the recipe in order to make the banana pudding and chocolate lush. I can't do the steps out of order, because if I started, just throwing things together and putting the cookies in and the bananas, it might turn out okay, but I want to layer it and I want to follow the steps. And before I could do any of that, I did have to make the pudding. So if I try to put all that together without making the pudding, then I would have a bigger mess. So when we're doing the order of operations, we do parentheses first, then we do the exponents, then multiplication and division. And remember, multiplication and division, those are on the same level. So we would do those whichever comes first from left to right. And then last, addition and subtraction from left to right. So with this problem here, I'm going to work out the parentheses first. So 5 plus 2 gives me 7. Then I'm going to multiply it by 4. So that gives me 28. Now, if I had this same problem, but I didn't have the parentheses, I would have to do the multiplication first because it comes first. So this gives me 8. Then I would add the 5. And so that would give me 13. So the parentheses, they do make a big difference for this problem. And so just think about, following recipes, and in math, we have to follow the order of operations. So our mystery word for today, Luna is trying to get involved, so she kind of further adds to the disaster because she can reach the counter. But back here, I'm not using these in the recipe, but lemon is the mystery word.